Good afternoon, everybody, everyone. Okay, this is Mrs. Cecilia Corrales, one of the seller of the Winners Life International products. Nandito po ako because I have a client to give her testimony regarding the products she's using. Actually, she is 80 years old from Purok 1, Labuan, Zamboanga City. So she started to take the Premier's juice
22
since 2022. So, for how many years? 3 years, yeah?
2
2
years.
years na. So now, she is not like that before because she was very skinny and very weak. I do not know, she cannot stand anymore. So I offered this product to her. And fortunately, she accepted it and started to take this Premier Juice to test the product, to treat also what she is suffering. Kaya nandito si Ma'am Titing, Sinang Teresita de los Santos Epistan from Purok 1, Labuan, Zamboanga City. Nang Titing, I've got to please tell what did you feel after taking the Winner's Juice?
Pagkano lang yun?
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Mezclamos.
Oo.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes con todos. Buenas tardes todo. Takio araw. Yo, Teresita Empistan de los Santos. Yan tekyo muro saliyo na ospital. Mayo
Tagalog.
malis ako sa ospital, tapos pag-uwi ko sa bahay, walang gamot ang doktor binigay sa akin, tapos na ako na hinarap ko si Ma'am Sally kay alam ko na may gamot siya na ginamit ko ito nung 22 pa ng December, and then hanggang ngayon okay na ako hanggang ngayon. Tapos wala akong kung ito ang ginamit ko, okay na ang pakiramdam ko. Sa baba ako, may ganang matulog, ganyan. Okay na ako. Ang sakit ko, gallbladder at saka yung atay ko in-infection. Tapos opera sana sa akin, pero hindi na ako nagpa-opera kasi payat na talaga ako. Paglabas ko sa ospital, ito na ang ginamit ko hanggang ngayon.
Salamat.
Salamat sa Winners Life.
Hey,